So the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a side that you're going to want to put your variables on, and I'm going to write that down. So it can be either side. On this one, I'm just going to make it the left, write it down so I don't forget. So this side is only x's. This side is only not x's. So that means over here I have to get rid of anything that doesn't have an x, since this side can only be x's. So I'm going to do minus 2. So I'm left with 3x equals 2x. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Okay, this side's good now, so now I have to go to this side. This side can only be things with not an x or no x's. So I have to get rid of this 2x. How do I get rid of 2x? Minus 2x. And I'm left with x equals negative 3. And that is my answer. Alright, next one we got here. I'm going to look and see, I do have like terms. So I do have like terms. I'm going to do that first. So I have 3x equals 3x plus 2x is 5x. I'm going to say I want my x's on the right side on this one. Mix it up maybe a little bit. Not over here. It means I have to get rid of this 3x on this side. So minus 3x. And I'm left with 0 equals 2x. Well, how do I get this x by itself? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Whoa. 0 equals x, or x equals 0. Okay, a couple more. Alright, if I look at this one here, again, I can combine like terms before I start. So I have a 2x and an x over here. That gives me 3x minus 5 equals 3x plus 2. I'm going to say x is on the right on this one, not over here. So not, I have to get rid of anything that has an x. So minus 3x minus 3x. So I'm left with negative 5 equals 2. Does negative 5 equal 2? Well, no, negative 5 doesn't equal 2. I don't have any x's left, so I'm going to say this one is no solution. In order to have no solution, I need to have no x or any other variable, whatever your variable is. Mine's x, so I just wrote no x. And I need to have two numbers that are not equal. Okay, if I would have no variable or no x and two numbers that are equal, I would have all solutions. And if I do have a variable left, I cannot say either of those. I need to get rid of variables in order to get no solution. All right, moving on to the last one. All right, so the first thing I'm going to need to do is combine my like terms. 7 minus 1 is 6x plus 10 equals 10x minus 6. So I'm going to say x is on this side, not over here. So not, I need to get rid of anything that is an x. So minus 6x. So I got 10 equals 10 minus 6 is 4x minus 6. Okay, so this side's good. This side is only x's, so I get rid of a minus 6. So the opposite of minus is plus 6. Plus 6, so I have 16 equals 4x. In my last step, divide by 4. I'm left with x equals 16 divided by 4 is 4.